Join us as we explore the cutting-edge processes that bring the freshest bananas from the orchard to your table.
Our journey begins in the fertile banana plantations, where expert management ensures the highest quality fruit.
Bananas grow in clusters, nurtured carefully to reach perfect maturity.
Plantation management includes pruning and pest control to maintain healthy crops.
Advanced irrigation and soil monitoring optimize growth conditions. The banana's journey is a seasonal rhythm of growth and renewal. Assessing maturity ensures bananas are harvested at peak quality.
As the day ends, the plantation rests, ready for the harvest ahead. Harvesting begins with selecting bananas at the perfect stage of maturity. Each bunch is handled delicately to preserve quality and freshness.
Each bunch is handled delicately to preserve quality and freshness.
Each banana's texture and color reflect its ripeness and quality.
Sorted bananas are transported promptly to maintain freshness.
Careful packing preserves the delicate fruit during transit.
Freshly harvested bananas begin their journey to processing. Refrigerated transport keeps bananas fresh from orchard to factory.
The receiving area is ready to handle the delicate fruit with care. Bananas are carefully transferred to maintain quality and freshness.
Farm-level sorting removes damaged or unripe bananas, ensuring only premium fruit moves forward.
Skilled hands carefully select the best bananas for processing.
Quality checks ensure only the finest bananas proceed.
Careful packing preserves freshness during transport.
Sorted bananas are transported efficiently to the processing facility.
Refrigerated transport maintains banana freshness.
Real-time monitoring ensures accuracy and efficiency.
Teamwork and communication optimize the sorting process.
With sorting and handling complete, bananas are ready for transport and processing.
Careful loading onto refrigerated trucks ensures bananas remain fresh during transport.
Proper securing protects the fruit from damage. Prompt transportation preserves freshness and quality. The factory is ready to handle the delicate fruit with care.
Initial quality checks ensure only the best bananas enter processing.
Bananas are carefully transferred to maintain quality and freshness.
Efficient transport prepares bananas for washing and sorting. Conveyor belts transport bananas smoothly through the washing process. High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the bananas, ensuring hygiene and quality. Skilled inspectors ensure only the best bananas proceed. Advanced sorting technology complements manual inspection for consistent quality. Defective fruit is carefully removed to maintain product standards. Real-time monitoring ensures quality control throughout the process.
Cleaned and inspected bananas are prepared for packaging and distribution.
Grading separates bananas by size, color, and quality to ensure uniformity and premium standards.
Advanced optical grading technology identifies and separates fruit based on strict quality criteria.
Air jets precisely separate bananas by grade, maintaining product consistency.
Manual inspection complements automated grading to guarantee premium quality.
Data-driven grading maintains consistent standards across every batch.
Graded bananas are carefully transported to packaging lines.
Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. Ripening chambers provide precise control over temperature and humidity to ensure perfect banana ripeness.
Controlled environments allow bananas to ripen evenly and naturally. Ethylene levels are carefully monitored to regulate the ripening process.
Quality checks ensure bananas meet market standards.
Careful packaging preserves freshness and appearance. Our advanced packaging line ensures every banana package is filled, sealed, and labeled with care.
Precision filling guarantees consistent weight and quality in every package. Sealing locks in freshness, protecting bananas from moisture and air. Clear labeling ensures brand recognition and traceability. Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards.
Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues.
Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment. Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
Our premium bananas begin their journey to markets around the world.
Finally, our premium bananas reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
From the first harvest to the final package, every step here reflects our commitment to quality, care, and innovation.